Dear lady/gentlemen, thanks for your time to pay a videos visit us today. It's my honor to show you our manufacturing Multech PCB Technologies Company Limited, who was founded year of 1997 in Shenzhen, China. Multech has been engaged in PCB design, layout, PCB fabrication, R&D with one-stop services in global markets. 85% of PCBs are exported to Europe, USA, Canada, Japan, Australia, and Asia-Pacific region. We have won the satisfactions and confidence of more and more customers in the world. Multech was founded by PCB professors who advocate the technical innovations, creating new technique to achieve high complex PCB under control by much lower than 500 ppm quality leveling. Our philosophy is to care about customers demanding and create value for customers, focusing on HDI, high multi-layer rigid PCB up to 48 layers, complicated flex and flex rigid PCBs with capability improving, on-time deliveries and zero defect quality controlled. In order to shortening lead time of manufacturing, Multech is always keep standard raw materials in storage regularly under controlling stated condition of temperature and humidity, and first in and first out for material management. Based on customer orders forecast and production usages to keeping types of materials as more as we can, such as Isolas, 370HR, FR408 and so on. Shinny FR4 all TG value, Rogers, PTFE, Taconic, Arlon, Panasonic, DuPont, Tyflex, Ventec and so on with different surface, copper and material thickness. Multech has working with about thousands global customers for over 20 years, total over 1,000 staff working in plant with $120 million annual revenue and average 10% growth rate per year. The advantages what we are to offer customers QTA service in medium to large mass production. All kinds of raw materials are regularly used in manufacturing. Our PCB products are widely used for high-tech industries, telecommunications, power supply, digital, automotive, aerospace, military and so on. We keep continuous improvement to move forward to get more global well-known customers approval and to be better PCB supplier in the world. Now, let me show you what PCB plant looks like and begin a video tour of line processing in PCB manufacturing. Photo process D/F. Chemical laboratory. Multech must control each process in manufacturing by 100% testing and inspections. For example, Multech will make whole wall microsection analysis to see whether the copper in the hole meets the customer's requirements. At the same time, the laboratory will also make real-time analysis of the potions in the electroplating cylinder to analyze the concentration and composition of metal ions, so as to ensure the stability of PCB correctly run production. Photo process D/F outer. Solder mask. Physics laboratory. All PCBs must be tested, must be passed by labs such as solder masking, peel strength test, solderability test, particle pollution test and other related tests. Each lot of PCBs will be carried out in this laboratory before shipment. Surface treatment. Testing. All finished PCB must be done by final test. Simulate the state of the board. Electric performance check. Whether there is open or short circuit, according to the number of boards. Choose flying probe test or electronic testing by fixture must be 100% passed before shipment. Final visual inspection. Package and shipment. After all PCBs tested 100% completely good product, we do final process, packaging. The qualified products will be vacuum packed with humidity indicator cards, desiccants and labels put into stable box tightly in wooden plate if necessary, so that it is easy to store and transport. We will also use anti-static packaging for some boards according to customer requirements. Thanks for your time to visit us, and hopefully Multech will be your valuable supplier. Thank you.